Hello guys, today I will show you what we did. So today I installed digital controller and they called me to this unit, double door refrigerator Victory, and the problem was very weird. So since they had this you see this thermostat, where is the hole, temperature control, which is really didn't work. So if you can see, I removed it out. This is the guy. And this didn't work because a couple of reasons. Probably because the installation is bad or whatever. It's never reached the right temperature. So what I did, I installed the controller. This is digital controller. So I just took this here, made the hole, put my digital controller in, connected all wires. You can see. Let me show you more close. You see all those wires I connected. Now it's working, and this digital controller, this is the sensor which just goes from here down, and I installed it. I took it out from here and put it out. If you can see over there, right here, where is the flashlight, this is the sensor which just gives to the unit command to turn off or go on. I put the sensor all the way back there, and now I turn it on, and you can see, of course I programmed the controller, and you can see now. I will show you guys. Let me put this thing back. Sorry about that. Okay, you see here is the controller. I schedule it set point. Set point we can change here. So my set point, it's my set point here. I will show you guys. So my set point here, it's 34 degrees. Let me put it 34 even. And heat is the differential. I put 5 degrees. So I will go cool down to 34 degrees. Will stop. 5 degrees it will be waiting. And on 39 it will come back on. So that was the job for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have comments or heads up or whatever, you can leave down below in comment section. And of course I schedule defrost 3 times a day. It will go to defrost for 15 minutes. This controller has this ability. So I have here defrost and also the controller. Instead of this is temperature control, which is I actually replaced. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.